channel. I want to start the new year with a topic that might be a little bit of cliche for most of you, but for me is an everlasting topic, and that will be Angelina Jolie's makeup. Another reason I want to recreate Angelina Jolie's makeup is because I am wearing now my green contact lenses that I purchased from All Lens. They might not be that visible at the moment, but they will be for sure once I put the makeup on, and you will get the vibe of Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie is quite pale, but she has a very nice complexion and very even complexion. So on this occasion, I want to use the Charlotte Tilbury and this brush to even out completely my complexion. So what I do is I basically apply in these areas, but on this occasion, because we know that Angelina Jolie has a very smooth and very even out skin, I would definitely want to apply it all over my face. Okay, and now on to contouring. So I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills quite dark stick color, and because we know that Angelina Jolie has very prominent jawline and very prominent cheekbones, we want to emphasize that. Of course, we're going to blend with a blender brush. Of course, we are going to blend with the blending tool, not a brush. We want to do that as much as possible so we don't have that sharp lines, and then we will emphasize with more products in the end. I do have it blended out, I'm going to move on to the powder I want to use. In this case, the Charlotte Tilbury again, because it's a very transparent light powder. Moving on to the brows, I'm using the DIORSHOW Brow Styler in color dark brown. And the principle here is to try to draw your eyebrows as low as possible here in this section, and then start to elevate the angle. And then she has a longer part here and quite short here, but very pointy, very archy. So this is how they look like from far. Obviously, I have different shapes, so I have some hairs here and here left, but I tried to hide them, and it's not that visible on the video or in the pictures, so you can get away with it. Next, what I want to do is basically add lashes. I want to use the angle ones, and I might need to cut them here and here so that they match my eye shape. But basically, we want this shoe effect. But before that, I am going to definitely curl my lashes and add mascara on, and then apply the fake lashes. I'm back with the fake eyelashes on, and I'm moving on to the lips. The lips of Angelina Jolie are incomparable and are lips that everyone wants to have. So it's gonna be a little bit of challenging job to do it, but let's try, especially with my very, very thin ones. Let's try and see what we can achieve. I'm outlining the lip with this very pale color from 17 in color 02 Pink Tint. Really another trick for Angelina Jolie, Monica Bellucci's lips would be that when you start your lip liner here, even though my normal lip is going down, I'll just go straight. So instead of connecting it down here, I'll just do it straight, really straight. Can you see? And then here, as I explained, here below I can even like go half a centimeter below, but here on the side I want to have it very, very close. There, so this is the shape. What I want to use next is this Dior Jungle Matte Rouge Dior Liquid Lipstick. I just went with this color on top just to create like a shadow. Maybe try to smudge it. And then the same I'm using to do like this and in this part right here in the corners. And then this light color I really use to tap in these areas. You see? And then it gives this fake feeling of really big lips. What would also help here for the lip will be taking a highlighter. I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury and it would work. And really emphasize this Cupid bow. I'm moving on to highlighting the actual face. So in order to get a little bit of Angelina Jolie's features, I would go into this crease with this brownish color. And then basically. So I did basically highlighted this angle here, and I want to recreate her nose shapes. And lastly, but certainly not the least, will be highlighting. So I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury, and as I said, I really want a prominent line here. So we want this jawline to be more prominent. And in this case, what I am going to do is like basically take the lighter color and go underneath. very, 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 very close to the lashes.